No matter what happened in your life, you can start over. Don't have a fear to start a new life. Corrections are very powerful. Other people are divorcing with their partners. They walk away in the marriage with nothing, and you have to start a new life. Don't have a fear to do that, because now you are very proud of yourself. After divorcing, you go back to school and study, and now you are a doctor, you are a nurse, a teacher, because of that issue what happened. So sometimes don't have a fear. Even the house can be burned. You know that there is other people who have got many properties, but their properties was on fire. The fire destroyed everything. They have to start over, to work hard again for new things. So it can happen. Or a business, you go broke, your business, your shop can be burned, and you have to start to work for another stock. It can happen. Don't have a fear to start the new life, or you want to start to relocate to another place, to locate to another place to start a new life. Yes, don't have a fear to do that, because life, guys, you know that when you are doing corrections, you are correcting yourself. You correct, the mistakes, that these mistakes I can't repeat it again in your life. You know the wrong and the right. Now you can do the right thing in your life. You understand? You are divorcing with your partner, and you meet your partner, you already have got your properties, but now you are divorcing with that person. You are sharing the half of your properties to that person. It's very painful when you are doing the same thing, but you can recover yourself. If you are strong, you work hard at the first time, you can do it again, and now you can do more. And you are careful. Even you are in another relationship, you don't sign in community of property now. You understand? You are careful now. You open your eyes that a person can change. You understand? A person, a human being, can change anytime. You are careful now. So guys, you can start over your new life. You can do something, you understand, to relocate. If you saw that that area is not good for you, or what happened last time, you have to relocate somewhere to start a new life with new people. Everything is new on you. You understand? So sometimes, guys, life, I don't understand. Sometimes you fail and you work again. You understand? It's life, even business, everything, relationships, marriages. It's like that.